Hello everyone, it's Aslan here. Welcome to welcome to my YouTube live. Alright guys, basically I was just sharing right now the link in my Facebook group. If you're not a Facebook group member yet, you can join from the links below. Our all community links, and hello guys. I'm here for the Bitcoin update. The one we seen yesterday. It was pretty good. Honestly, it was decent. Just for a corrective move. I don't see that a bottom yet because the volume isn't there much. Okay, the sell walls were very weak. If you watch my YouTube live yesterday, I've shared that the sell walls were pretty weak, and that is why market bounced pretty much a lot. And right now it's trying to break that level. Um, you see, before we had a pretty weak, very weak actually was. Right now is something happening, kind of both are getting weak. We always need, we always need a move up, a corrective move to dip harder. Okay, we can't just dip. We need to see a upside move, a small upside move that we've been seeing the bear flags whenever the market makes a bear flag. For example, here we need moves like this to drop harder, because whoever's buys here, they have stop losses, and those stop losses do get triggered and things like that. And right now we are kind of making a it's not a perfect one. Okay, we have two shoulders. This is pretty bad shoulder. I wish it would have come here. If the market would have come here, or even though here at this area tested here, that would be our bullish flag, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, inverted. And based on this, our target would be around, I will zoom out, give me a second. This is just pop up in front of my face, and then I'm just sharing because the thing is, I just came online and I said, let me just do analysis for myself and for my YouTube members and group members, so all together everyone can see it. Right, that's fine. So basically this is the channel trend line, descending trend line. That would be the target. Let's go to 1 day. I see what's happening. We made amazing rejection candle. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, look at this. We had this, but it was at resistance. Okay, and we are in the bearish trend. Keep in mind, bullish pattern work great in bullish market, and bearish pattern work, as I always said that before. It's easy to just say it, but it's hard. Many people don't know. They just look for this candle. This thing is a buy. Like, hey, it was a big trap for newbies. But when will end? Alright, I don't know, Chudi, I don't know. No one knows when this all will end. But right now, what I'm looking for is, as soon as 60 breaks, okay, that would be a decent small trade entry. Okay, it's a risky aggressive entry, so you can take entry there and play this pattern if that goes well. Okay, even though if we ignore the pattern, we have pretty good resistance here. If we break this, we're gonna see a decent move, if at least by 6400 6450. That's our next resistance. When I went to sleep here, the price was around here. I said, I know price won't go up much because we have a strong zone here at 6450 6500. The reason is our previous support here. This one, this line, blue line, is our strong resistance. Market may test this now and then a pullback again, probably. It all depends. If we break this channel, the channel we have here, if we break this channel, I can expect the market to go up, test 7,000 probably. First we're gonna need to break 6800. That's pretty strong as a 6800 to 6900. That's a strong zone as well to break. If we break this, if we test again, and that would be probably a decent entry with a stop loss below it. And I did a video on my course yesterday. 30. It was pretty long video about risk management, how to do risk management, all those things. It's all about learning. You need to learn as much as you can. Okay. If you want to be successful. End of the day, let's look at for the volume. The volume wasn't much there. If you see, this was our volumes. Let me just use the arrows. This is our yesterday volume. It was good buying. All right. Honestly, that was a good buying volume. But look at this. Before that, a selling volume was much higher. So this move can be a decent, but it doesn't convince me that is a bottom. Okay, it can be a decent for a small up move, a 6500 test or something, whatever is gonna be, but I don't think this is the bottom yet. Okay, to to prove that it is the bottom, even though I'm not going to buy here. Okay, I'm not going to rush it. I will wait for the channel to break. Even if I don't mind getting a bit late entry, but I want to get something safe. Alright, when I'm pretty sure. Okay, we broke from here with a very good volume. Okay, we break this channel with very good volume, then then I'll say, all right, this was decent. Otherwise, for now, I'm not really looking to get entry yet. Many members ask me, oh, when you buying this and that. Like, I get asked a lot, and honestly, I don't have all the answers. And if you see on weekly, okay, on weekly, Bitcoin, this is the next resistance, 7800. Market may test this again. Sorry, the first one is this one, 7000. Market always can go up and test that. Okay, as I said, if we come here, test it, I'm gonna maybe take small entry. I play 5% gain, and that's it. But I'm not looking at a major move yet, because these are our resistance, 7000 here. If we cross 7000, that would be a decent entry for me. But overall, a big entry I won't be making here. I will wait for the best opportunity for me. Of course, you're never gonna get a best timing or best opportunity. You always gonna be here and there missing some places, but I will add slowly in my position. If I see a weakness, I will just get out as soon as I can when the market shows weakness. But for now, we're just waiting and see how it goes. This is a 7000 is a strong level on weekly support. First we have resistance. First we have this resistance at 64. That's a weekly as well, 64.50. So these all there are so many things that Bitcoin can't just go up. Okay, it can't just go up quick. It needs a lot of time. Okay, it's in bearish market. Remember that it's in bearish market. It's not like bullish. You can just, it turns around and goes up quicker. It doesn't happen like that. In bearish market, things go slower. If it doesn't go slower, it won't go for good for long term. It needs to go slow. It needs to give time to everyone to buy it so they can hold and things like that. There's a lot of things that do include in it that not many people know about and care about much. Mukesh, no one knows if it's gonna go up or down. You asking a wrong question. If it's go up or down, no one knows that. Okay, I'm showing you the analysis, and you need to decide based on that. What do you think what's gonna happen? My job is just to show analysis that what I'm looking at, what's possible to happen. If we break this resistance of 62.50, we're probably gonna see 64.50. Okay, and then 6500 we have this channel. If we break that, we'll see, but I don't see it breaking it yet easily, unless we get a big volume or big news or something, some kind of thing, or yeah, at least something. The thing is, you see these all pumps is because whales do manipulation. Big guys, they pump this as there's a very low volume. What I meant is the sell walls are very weak, and it's easy to manipulate the market if there isn't much volume. And that's what whales do, because they go margin trading 100x. In Bitmax you can go 100x leverage, and they can make huge money there if they go against the moment, and they take all the short guys, whoever went short, and they hit their stop losses and get liquidated. And that's what they do. Okay, they manipulate the market so much because it's not regulated and it's easy to manipulate it. Hope you get the point. We got this in 15 minutes. We had pretty decent volume this candle trying to break up. We probably may see soon this breaking up. I'm not saying just go buy, but volume has been increasing. If you see, buy volume has been increasing. The price trying to push down, but it's not. We may see a fake out or a test of that and then a down, like something happened here. I think is mine's too slow. Okay, here. When the market came down here, it went up and went up. It tested this, made a double top, and then came down. Okay, we're probably gonna see a double top here, and then it come down, or a big jump, and then selling. If we leave a wick, okay, if we leave a big wick, then I can expect a selling, but the buying was big here. Okay, looking at this candle shows that buying was very strong here. Well, let's see. It was full buying. The close even shows that there wasn't much wick here. The buy were very strong up there, but it never gave us a decent pullback. If Bitcoin would have came down here, that would be better because it could have gone up much quicker and with more force. Right now it's just standing here, people waiting for the breakout or waiting to buy here probably. Oh, we'll see what's gonna happen. All right, there is nothing of something like sure this will happen. Right, it doesn't happen like that. Okay, we just need to wait for the channel to break. One of the safest entry is the channel to break. We had a rejection candle here, a pretty good rejection candle, but we need to wait for the breaks. It's up to you, on your strategy. Okay, you can always buy here, break of this. I would rather buy break of this than buying here. Break of this and put your stop losses down and ride as long as it goes. Okay, if it breaks this, you can just set your stop loss down here, kind of break even, and then see if it goes well or not, goes in your favor or not. What's the best plan to go with right now? I don't give anyone to plan or tell them what to do. Honestly, this is something you need to find out yourself, what type of person you are. If you want to buy short term, long term, when you want to buy it, your strategy, your plan, like everything matters here. Okay, if you want to go long term successful trader or investor, you need to have a plan, strategy, how you want to manage things, how you want to do it. Only then you will be able to do it and will be successful. Guys, give me your 5 coins like I do every day, 5 coins, and I'll do analysis on them. And yeah, that's it. We had a green day actually. I haven't went to CoinMarketCap, so we had a green day after a long time. We have 42 dominance. It must be more yesterday. Lots of money came in crypto. Sorry, in ArtsCoin yesterday. You holding ETC? Let's see what ETC have to say. Look at this. This baby is going so well. I was drawing this yesterday in my live for my course. I was sharing examples, what I'm looking at and things like that. Shit, it froze up. Oops. This hit my BTC. That's funny. ETC BTC. Okay, let me just remove all this. You know, my hands, one of them is injured, and that's why This is so much mesh. Let me just remove all this. Done. Okay. If you watch my video 21st June, I said Bitcoin will come down to that zone, and it did. It's been doing almost the same thing as expected. Okay, almost the same thing as expected. This was our zone. You can go watch my video again. There is nothing like something that I am saying here and it's not there. Okay, I shared even though I said yesterday, in my group, I uploaded a picture saying this is a zone that I was looking for a pullback after hitting this resistance. It gave us very good daily bullish bar to buy it. It broke. So if Bitcoin stays high, if Bitcoin breaks, this is gonna test this again. It'd be good risk and reward if someone would have bought here or the break. I'm looking for my next levels are this one that I'm looking. Next resistance levels are this one. It can be anywhere. You can just wait on low time frame for a sales signal, or you can just hold, up to you. Honestly, the thing is, after this break, it needs to retest it at least once. It may not test it and then for long again. I mean, yes, I'm surprised only 11 people I have. The thing is, I noticed that more people watch later on. I get 400 views roughly on my each video, but I'm surprised that I only get 15 live. I used to get 30, 40 like back then, long time ago, but anyways, that's fine. People can watch the recording. It's been, how long it's been? It's been only 17 minutes that I'm live. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. It's keep making a higher high. If we break, sorry, high, low and higher high we made here, and now a real higher high is gonna be here. I'm waiting for this break. If this breaks, it's gonna be very good, honestly. I'm waiting for that, and then a pullback. Anyways, guys, give me your coins. I'll do quicker. So one is done. EDC. People ask me yesterday. I said I will be only focusing on ETC. It's a strong coin, and it came back in my buy zone, and then now it's going to a sell zone, the first sell zone, and then the second one if it breaks. In the meantime, Bitcoin will decide what to do next as well. Yeah, and honestly, the trend haven't changed yet. This can be a trap because of sell was are pretty weak. This can be a trap as well, so be careful about that. I can't the thing why I make in English is it's international language. I have many followers that, yes, I do have mostly from India, Pakistan, but I have from other countries as well. I've been making video in Hindi, Urdu, but the thing is, I noticed that people doesn't listen there. When I make in Urdu, Hindi, people do the same mistakes again. They do the same things, and they complain a lot, and they basically tang bahut karte hain. Honestly, that's the thing. You know how they are. How, like, I am the same thing. Okay, I'm not saying I'm from Pakistan as well. It's not that I love Pakistan, but what I'm saying is some people, like, they're trying to get rich quick. Their mindset is that kind of mindset. Anyways, give me the coins that you want. The thing is, nowadays, even my cousins, all of my cousins in Pakistan, they understand English basically. Even my wife, though, she does understand basic English. Why can't the people that understand basic English, that they don't have any problem? They are doing it, and they are the one that putting the work in. Honestly, I have friends, trader friends, all of them do understand English. All of them, my old trader friends, and even though one of them making English videos as well, and yeah, all everything is fine. They are aged. They are around 25, 30 years old as well. So everyone I know that understands well, educated, they understand English nowadays. Everyone does. That is why I do in English, to improve my own English. Alright, BNB is looking a risky thing here. On daily is a risky thing. Right now, it hardly survived here. Okay, it hardly survived here. We have a low volume. Okay, we have a double top. We have a double top, low volume. We've seen a break of this, but bulls recovered it. Okay, if we close today above this, that's fine. If we close below this, that's not fine. That's a change of the trend. Now it's gonna go bearish if we break this and close below this. Okay, if we close below this level with the body, we're gonna see a downtrend started in BNB, but right now it is holding the uptrend. Okay, we need to see a strong bulls coming in. Even though volume yesterday was today just started half day went. So yeah, let's see what happens. But right now BNB is in a risky, very critical position, so be careful whatever you do. Even we have a flag here, imaginary flag that broke already. Okay, we are in risky position honestly with this. If I was you, what I would do is, we already broke this, we already broke that trend, minor trend. I will wait for the next maybe I will sell if I'm very good profit, or I will just wait for today candle to close. If it does close below 0.00323, if it close below 0.0023, I will sell and I will get out, because the next support, the strong support that I'm looking for is this one or below area, this one. I mean, end of the day, this is big move. All right, no one wants to get this much loss. And then from here I'm probably gonna see this small bounce, and then a down and down. But this is much better zone that looks at this looks much better here. Even though if you can't hold here, it can always come down here. This is pretty strong area to look for a buy opportunity. If you see a buy signal, get in for a small move up. Mukesh, I did analysis on Startcoin yesterday, so there's no point doing it again. It doesn't make much difference. It's in a bearish trend. Okay, all altcoins so far in a bearish trend, mostly all except this. This is not yet in bearish, but it was about to get in bearish trend. That's it guys. I'm pretty tired right now. I wasn't feeling well. I was having temperature last night, so yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this live. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to get notifications. If you don't want to miss the live analysis, that's fine. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in next live. Bye.